Hello everyone, welcome to Arafat English Journey channel. Today I want to talk to about a special and amazing easy topic, that is family. First of all, I clear that it's not a perfect English channel because I am create this channel to improve my speaking skills. So let's get started. What do you think your family? When I hear the word family, the first thing comes to my mind is love, care, and support. For me, family is like a safe place where I always feel safe and protected. Family is important to me because they guide me, they support me, they motivate me, and stand by me every situation. I feel also that I'm important to my family. I think because family because they depend on me, they trust me, and they accept good things from me. In the future, I would have my own family. But right now, I'm happy living with my family, friends, siblings, and enjoying every moment. If I compare family and friends, I think both are important, but I prefer spending more time with my family because they know me better than anyone's. That's my opinion to my family. I think I'm a familiar person and I love to spend my family, and family is my first priority. So thanks to watching this video, and tomorrow video is an informational video, and this video explain another AI tools